Create the base art by making the base of your arrangement. Apply hot glue to the bottom of the floral foam and place it in the center of the wooden base. Cover the sides of the foam with moss, leaving the top uncovered. This is where the flowers will be inserted. Tip: use tweezers when placing the moss to avoid burning your fingers with hot glue. Build a floral arrangement. Begin by placing the taller flowers at the back to create a background. Adjust the height of the tallest flower according to the glass dome. And make sure no flowers extend beyond that height. As you move toward the front, gradually use shorter flowers to create depth. Trim the stems as needed, and use hot glue to secure them if necessary. Once the flowers are in place, enhance your design with small decorative elements for extra charm. Wrap the fairy lights gently around the flowers, then place the glass dome over the arrangement. Your glass cloaky flower design is now complete. Thank you for choosing Loom Petals. We hope you love the piece you created and that it brings beauty and joy to your space for many years to come. Wishing you many happy moments with it.